Hi, welcome. This is the Conti X-1. It's a double group. The one I have here, you have one single group here, second group here. You have two froth one here, and the next one here. The Conti X-1 froth one is a pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down, pull up, pull down. Okay, let me show you how a Conti X-1 works. I'm going to make a latte with the X-1 just to show you how it looks like and how it feels like. There's the espresso. I'm going to make a single shot, 2 cups. While pulling the shot, you can notice that there's a timer over here. It's running at 7 seconds, 8 seconds. So you can really time yourself to make the perfect cups according to your time. Next up, I'm going to show you how to do the milk. This is relatively easy to auto froth. Just place this inside. And this is a perfect shot, 25 seconds. And this is how you auto froth. This machine is quite easy to auto froth. As you can see, the milk is really smooth. Next up is to pour the latte. I'm going to make a really strong cup of latte. This is a very strong cup of latte. It's all brown. Next up, I'm going to make a medium cup of latte with a slight latte art to it. You have a slight latte art to it, and this is inspired by the Star Trek movie which is coming up soon. This is X-1. As you can see, it's relatively easy to get a very good or perfect shot. Just now was 25 seconds, and quite easy to auto froth as well. This is Conti X-1. Good machine.